Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm France Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and today it's stamp on the go really. I'm using the Butterfly Duet punch with the Butterfly Gala that you can get it in a bundle for 10%, so it comes at the 35. And then I'm using the note card or the cards from the occasion catalog that it's on page 26, that happiness bloom. So you get 10 of each size. So 10 of the big one and 10 of the small one. And if you add the product together and then a mixed pack of the bright color cardstock, so you can get not one, but two of each of these color right at the bottom there. So give you more variation. Sometimes you're not sure what paper, which color. Buy the mix pack, so then you get a little bit of everything. Two sheet of each. So that's what I base my cards, and it would come at $59. And then if you add your wink of Stella, then it would come at $69. So something like that. I'm going to have all the price on my blog. And then you would get this lovely paper for free, the Botanical Butterfly paper, because with an order of $50, you would get that for free. So let me share with you a tip on this paper here. So I got this lovely paper over here. Okay, with the wink of Stella, I find my paper there. It's $67.50. Without the wink of Stella, it would be $59.50. So the big print that I fussy cut that, meaning fussy cut, I end cut that. The print over here, it's one of these print here, the black and white. I think that's, no, it's, here it is. Let me, this print, it's the black and white butterfly in the back. So that I cut that in the back of this, and I use the granny apple green in the back. So you see, I use just what I named there. So it's many of the butterflies. So you could do a lot of cards with that. But let me share with you a tip to cut those butterflies. A post-it note would be very lovely, and I'm going to tell you why. You cannot just take the punch and go in this, because see, it don't turn. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a quick one, and I got a piece of Bermuda Bay there, or Coastal Cabana. So let me find a butterfly that would go good with Coastal Cabana here. And this one right here would go good. So what you're going to do, you're just going to cut around the butterfly. Cut, cut, cut. I understand some of them you won't be able to save because it's at the edge there. Maybe you can do a partial. You know what? We're going to do something. 1 second. We're going to use those partial. I like to put my sticky note on the left side. Maybe if you're righty, lefty, I'm righty. If you're lefty, maybe you want to put on the other side. Then turn this in the back. Now you can slide this through, and it matched the punch. See? We're going to put that right here. Let me line that up here. The camera, it's in my way, but I think I can do it. Voila! So now I got my butterfly. Now, this is going to be the trash. This here, just remove that, your sticky note in the back. Okay, now for the small one, you would do the same thing. Let's say I want this blue one here. I didn't use any of the small one, but I will add some on some. Now, what did I do with my sticky note? I swear they got legs. Here we go. You're going to do the same thing. I like to have it on the left. So then I can hold my punch with my right hand, and then you can slide this in, and voila. Is that cool? You get all those butterflies that look like you color, but really it's the designer series paper. Okay, so we got those butterflies. Now the one that I say on the side there, let me show you something here. We can take this again. take another piece. I'm just going to use the small one here. Well, it's a big one, but I mean the small piece. And then I'm going to take this, put that there, slide that in. Like this. Now let's remove that. And then I would cut just this here. So it would be like the butterfly would be full flying, and I can put that right here. Let's see. We're going to put it in the big cart. Let me grab some glue here. I'm going to use a glue dot to go faster. And I'm going to take this. Oh, I can even put it here so it looks like it's flying. So see, you don't need the full butterfly that is full. See, you still can use those ones. Okay, so now we got that, so you know how safe to punch your butterfly with the punch. Let's do a quick card. So we're going to do a small one here. And in the price that I give you to also, I added ink pad that I use Night of Navy because it go perfect with this. So the ink pad, a pack of mixed paper, and the note card, that and the bundle, the butterfly gala and the punch, all that come at $59. And then if you want to add the wing of Stella, like here on this butterfly I got the wing of Stella and also this one, well then it would come at $67.50. So it's a great way, so you could do 20 cards in no time. Okay, this is 4 1/4, but it looked like I cut this a little bit bigger. If that happened, always go from the back and trim it. The reason why you don't want to trim in the front, it's because it would be easy to cut your card base itself. Now we're going to take the butterfly, we're going to glue that, and in the stamp set you get the little antenna. So we're going to use this, and I'm going to put that right here. And this one I'm going to put Hello Beautiful. Does it fit? Yeah, because the other one I put just a note and thank you so much. It's all part of this stamp set. I'm going to put Hello Beautiful right here. And then inside we're going to go ahead and put just the little butterfly, and then you could write a note. And then for the little butterfly, you get the little tiny bitty, don't have another small block, just the tiny one. So see, you get two sides of the little wing, not the wings, but call that their antenna, whatever it's called. And I'm going to put that right here. Et voila, my friend. See how quick and simple it is to use that paper. And you get many other print in this paper that it's very, very gorgeous. So I did it the big one in the back. And you get many print in this lovely paper. You get in the black and white. You get the checkers. You get some you can color. See the black and white. You get in the purple. This is gorgeous. So that's a great product you can get for free with a celebration. So here are the quick cards. I call that Stamp on the Go because they are super quick. Thank you so much. Oh, one more thing also. They come with the envelopes, so you don't even need envelopes. That's all included in that. So you're ready to make them and put it in the mail or send it to your loved one. Thank you so much again to shop with me. Right below you get the direct link. I'm going to have the measurement on the extra layers I put and so on, or above in the eye. Have a great day, my friend. Bye-bye for now.